going to do for you today, I'm going to share a lip scrub. This lip scrub is going to exfoliate the lips. If you have dry, cracked lips, this is going to help. We're also using some ingredients that are going to help to plump the lips up. So what are you waiting for? Come with me to the kitchen. We're going to do the recipe really quick. And at the end, I'm going to share a live demonstration showing you how effective this lip scrub is. So do not click off. Continue watching. Now to make our lip scrub, my first ingredient is oatmeal. What I did, I take the oatmeal and I blend it to a powder. Oatmeal will help to exfoliate the skin. It will also help to get rid of the dead skin cells and help your lips to be soft and supple. So I'm using a tablespoon of our oatmeal powder. Now take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have some flax seeds. And flax seeds are great for exfoliating, but also for tightening and firming the skin. I'm going to add my flaxseed to the blender, which is about a teaspoon of the flax seeds. I'm using the flaxseed for the granules. We're going to blend it. Well, basically chopping the flaxseed. We're not blending it to a powder. And here we have our chopped flax seeds. We're pouring this in. We're using the flaxseed as our granules. So we're mixing flax seeds and oatmeal. We are making a lip scrub. Now once this is done, we're going to add some liquid to this. We're going to use some oil. And today I'm going to be using some grapeseed oil, but you can use whatever oil you have for this recipe. We're making a paste. 1 teaspoon of the grapeseed oil. Pour this in. And we're going to slowly work this in. We're making a lip scrub. Just slowly blend it in. And this is what it's going to look like. Now if it's too dry, add a little more oil to it. But you don't need it to be watery. Next I'm going to reach for some peppermint oil. And this is going to help to cool the lips. And we don't need a lot of the peppermint oil, just 1 to 2 drops of the peppermint oil. That's good enough, just a 1 to 2 drops. And we're gonna add this to our mixture. Just blend it in. And this is it. Here you have your lip scrub. This is a scrub that you can use to exfoliate your lips. And you need to exfoliate the lips at least 2 to 3 times per week. However, this is good to use on your lips every day. And here you have your lip scrub. Go ahead, use it up, store this in the refrigerator, use it up within 7 days. So do not click off. I'm going to show you how to use this to exfoliate your lips. So here we have our lip scrub, and what you want to do, you can go ahead, you can wet your lips, and you're just going to take a little of the scrub and you're going to apply it on your lips and exfoliate the lips. And you can feel the granules in this, and it also have a very minty flavor to it, so this makes it rather pleasant to use on the lips. A little goes a long way. You're going to exfoliate your lips for no more than about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Circular motion. Get rid of the roughness from the lips. Once you exfoliate your lips, then you're just going to go ahead and you're going to rinse off. Let me go rinse mine off. And my lips is feeling really nice, really soft, really supple. And you can go ahead and you can apply your lip balm or your lip oil or whatever it is that you use on the lips. Use this scrub on your lips at least 2 to 3 times a week for soft, supple, radiant, and fresh looking lips. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. And your comments are always welcome, so leave those comments. Go ahead and whip it up, guys, and get your lips to look not only free from dry, and get your lips to look plumper and get your lip to look plumper, soft, and supple.